In today's video, I'm going to teach you create your digital signature, handwritten style. We're turning your real handwriting into a clean, reusable digital signature using Microsoft Word. This is quick, beginner-friendly, and gives you a PNG file you can drop onto forms, documents, and images without any background showing. Start by opening a blank Word document. A fresh page gives you plenty of room to practice a few versions until one looks just right. If you're on a laptop trackpad or mouse, don't worry, you can still get a smooth result. If you have a stylus or touchscreen, even better, but it's not required. Head to the Draw tab at the top of Word. This is where Word's inking tools live. If you don't immediately see it, it might be tucked away depending on your version of Word, but most up-to-date installs include it. Inside the Draw tab, pick a pen tool you like. A black pen usually looks the most professional, and a medium thickness often reads best once the signature is placed on forms. If your device supports pressure sensitivity, that can add a natural stroke variation. You can also zoom in a bit on the page to make smooth curves easier. Now sign your name on the page. Write the way you normally would on paper, steady, not rushed, and try to make it a single continuous motion to avoid jagged joins. If the first attempt isn't perfect, press undo and try again. Feel free to create a few versions on the same page so you can choose your favorite. Keep it centered and give the letters a little spacing so the signature remains legible when scaled down. When you're happy with one, select the signature drawing. The easiest way is to use the lasso or selection tool in the Draw tab and carefully trace around just the signature, avoiding any extra marks on the page. Make sure the selection includes the whole stroke so nothing gets clipped. With it selected, right-click and choose Save as Picture. On some devices, a two-finger click or holding the Control key while clicking does the same thing. This lets you export the ink drawing by itself, without the rest of the document. In the Save dialog, choose PNG as the file type. PNG supports transparency, which means your signature won't have a white box around it when you place it over other content. Give the file a clear name, pick a folder you'll remember, and save. That's it. You now have a clean, transparent digital signature ready to drop into PDFs, emails, and documents whenever you need it.